flowers, they have always meant more to me than just petals and stems. Each one held a memory, a feeling, a moment. I used to give him one every single day, and his smile would bloom with each one. It's been 4 years since we parted ways, but fate had other plans. We crossed paths in a crowded marketplace, and after all this, he invited me over for coffee. When I stepped into his home, something caught my eye, a small library of books. But here is the thing, he was never a reader, never. So I picked one up and I opened it, and there it was, a delicate flower pressed between the pages. I opened another book and another, and each one had a flower, perfectly preserved. When I asked him about it, his answer took my breath away. Some of those flowers were the ones I gave him, but others, he bought one every single day since we parted. For me, holding on to a love he never let go of. And I stood there, speechless.